Good morning! Well, I'm officially out of excuses. I'm fit enough, I can move my arm, not perfect, but I can do it. So I have to start. Problem is, I'm a little overwhelmed by it. Regardless what I start with, it's something I haven't done before. We're going to start with cleaning it up, clearing it out. I have all cables running here. See? I have no clue what they're for and what they intended to do with them. Here it disappears in a hole. I assume it's going to the front and down, but I can't be sure. I have to find out. I think I'll start with this one. This is the rear camera, and that goes to the front, to the little control box, and this must be the one that goes to the reverse light, so that when you reverse it gets power and it works. I don't need to keep this, I couldn't get it to work, so I can simply bin it. Labeling, lesson number 1. And this whole bunch has no function. So I think that they wanted to bring the lights in the cabin and all the other little things you need here from the front battery. That's not a good idea. Before you know it, you empty your battery and you can't start when you want to leave. So we are going to have 1 or 2 batteries in the back and start the whole electricity system from there. The cabin system, that is. So I only have one wire that seems to go somewhere. I think it's the light of the number plates. And it said in the yearly report that that wasn't working. So that could be why. I'm just going to snip it off. And I can always rewire it from somewhere else. I think I can take a plus wire from the other backlights. If I can do that, then I don't need the wire to go here at all. Happy days. Then I can take all of this out and see where it goes in the front. A nice little connectors though. Empty! Yes! Oh boy. This cable goes here, got to come out, and I have to take all this off. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. I watched the video on it, so I think I can do it. But it's scary!
In a safe place, I got room to breathe. Been a long chase, but at last I'm free.
Oh, that really hurts my arm.
These open woods, I knew I could find peace here.
Yeah, that might just give me enough space to worm it through. Right there. That's where the whole cable tree is going. Okay, then I have to take this out because it's probably going down there, connected to something. Or shall I keep it in for future use? Might be handy to have a bunch of cables to go in there. Don't know. I can't find where this cable is going to. I'm going to wait till my friend comes who knows these things better than I do. That whole bundle of cables disappears in here somehow as well. So I think I'm going to leave them there. If I ever need a cable to the back, there's a whole bunch laying there ready to be used. Just tuck them away, secure them, and then I don't have to break everything down. Okie dokie. All cables are gone. Next job, these guys out, panels off the wall, and then see if there's any rust somewhere. That wasn't half bad. Got that wire left over that I think goes to the number plate light. I've got that cable all of no use, so it's going somewhere that can be taken out later. And I've got one little wire to the right there that wasn't connected to anything, and I have no clue what it is. But we'll find out at some point, I'm sure. So yeah, taking these bad boys out. I think we're going to use the wood for cabinets and stuff and start all over. This is just too narrow. You can't sleep on it. And whatever you come up with to widen it, it's going to be messy. So yeah, we'll see. Get some tools.
City we're at, they're tired of the running, they're catching up. I got hungry for the stunning, high mountain tops. So I made some plans, some dreams to catch, the promised land.
And the stupid thing is, I forgot to charge the screwdriver, so I have to do it all by hand. Wow, curious what's behind this. If it's not too bad, we might be able to use it. Otherwise we'll start from scratch, but can't find this stuff anywhere here. I guess it's easier in Izmir to find that. Oh. Next one. And then I had all this space. Now you can at least figure out what you want. You're not distracted by the plan of somebody else. Problem is, all of this has been carpeted once. Leftover glue everywhere. How on earth am I going to get that off? Let's see what's behind the panels. Scary, exciting, bit of everything. I'm going to do the same idea, only rock wool, thin layer. Then there will be a layer of bubble plastic with aluminium foil on one side as a vapor barrier, so that never ever water can go in again. And then paneling. So we'll see how that works out. But boy, this thing is filthy. Just look at it. Glue and filth everywhere.
I could never get enough of this old piano.
A lot of cleaning to do. But I have a start.
No one in this world knows where I am. So I think I'll stay for as long as I can.
That wasn't too bad. I'm going to take out the rest and then have a little cry because it's so filthy. But day well spent. That's not hard to do. I can do that. There's just this little ventilation thing that I don't know what to do with. Like a little vent hole. Shall I keep it? Maybe it's a good idea to keep it open. Maybe there's one behind here too. And where does it go? Don't know. Lots to learn. One empty, filthy van. I'm gonna call it a day. I don't have the energy to do another half day today. I'm gonna have some lunch and do something relaxed. But yeah, I'm happy with what I achieved in one morning. So yeah, hope you enjoyed it so far. I sure did. I made a start. Yes, after all these months, it's been standing here. Something happened. I'm happy. Next time, cleaning, sanding. See you then.